Yes. Good morning, candidates. Good morning. Good morning, candidates. Yeah. Good morning. Yeah. Now this is on business standard. Just now I posted on current affairs. This is on business standard, September 1. Sensex now stands at 58,766, 770 points down. Nifty 216 points down at 17,542. Gold now stays at 50,066, 348 down. Silver 52,072, 489 down. And US dollar also down by 31 paise at 79.57. Then some of the important points that are given here, let us go through them. Power exchanges clock growth despite pending discom dues worth 1.32 trillion. A third player start operations point to the potential of this nascent business. Next one, the Sensex. At this point, I think we saw it in this previous page also. Sensex sinks 770 points. Nifty gives up 17,550. Amid global sell-off, public sector banks soar. Next point. Next point is Adani rejects NDTV's claims that stake sales needs IT department's nod. Twitter tests long-awaited edit button will roll out to paid subscribers, not for everybody. I think we can read like this straight away. Equities turn unattractive for Credit Suisse, cuts rating to underweight. RBI unlikely to accept non-banking financial companies' request for bad loan exemptions. Adani Enterprises to enter Nifty 50 index in a new boost for Gautam Adani. GST collections above rupees 1.4 trillion for sixth consecutive month. Day after quarter one GDP data, a spate of forecast cuts by banks institutions. Wall Street slides for fifth straight day on rate hike jitters. Nasdaq falls 2%. DFCC pins hopes on new Maharashtra government approval for stuck freight corridor. August auto sales see record jump on easing chip shortage, new launches. Unacademy CMO Karan Shroff quits firm year after being made partner. Overseeing an ocean, INS Vikrant joins the Navy's fleet. CAD may touch 9-year high in quarter one financial year 23, even as net exports soar. CAD means current account deficit. Credit Suisse looking at cutting around 5,000 jobs in cost drive. No early withdrawal of monsoon. September may see excess rains. IMD, Indian Meteorological Department. HDFC Bank to open 207 branches in Maharashtra. Hire more than 3,000. India made cervical cancer vaccine Ceravac to cost rupees 200 to 400 per dose. Russian oil giant chairman dies after falling from hospital window. Web exclusive, are falling growth rates the next big worry For Indian equity markets, NTPC Limited receives 13 bids for minority stake in green energy arm. Regional movies revenues doing little for PVR, Inox, stay away, say experts. Investments rise in June quarter, but still lower than 30% of GDP. Karnataka Sir Shivamurthy Sharanaru arrested in sexual assault case. So these are the headings given in today's Business Standard. Besides, e-scooter makers at inflection point. August registrations up by over 10%. Reliance Industries ups O2C play as competitive intensity grows. I don't know what is O2C. Anybody knows? Please tell in the comments. Fresh intake, higher offshoring in IT sector, impacting revenue per employee. Sector majors line up for power ministries, 10 million smart meter tender. Oh, super. 4 of 6 major economies miss growth estimates, including India. NSO. An electric charge for public transport, e-bus market to triple by 2023. High commissions by Swiggy, Zomato have restaurants turning to alternatives. COVID booster jabs see 10% dip from last week despite government push. Do not turn complacent. Consult experts if builder claims nodes are in place. So these are the points given, followed by Sensex drops over 1,000 points intraday. Spice Jet shares fall 15% to hit 1 month low. Likewise, some interesting things are being given here. Thank you. Thank you so much. Best wishes.